Welcome to the channel. If you're planning your next adventure, commute, or weekend getaway, having the right backpack is essential. Today, we're covering the top 5 best travel backpacks, carefully selected for comfort, storage, durability, and smart features. Whether you're a light packer or a digital nomad, there's something here for every kind of traveler. Don't forget to check the description below for up-to-date prices and product details. And if this video helps you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more gear reviews like this. Let's get packed, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Ascenlin Travel Backpack. Travel smart with this upgraded, all-in-one backpack designed for convenience, comfort, and durability. Measuring 19.4 by 14 by 11 inches, it meets most airline carry-on standards and fits laptops up to 18.3 inches in its dedicated padded compartment. Crafted from high-quality, water-resistant polyester Oxford cloth and secured with explosion-proof zippers, it's built to withstand frequent use. The backpack includes a spacious main compartment, a front organizer pocket, a water bottle/umbrella slot, and a hidden shoulder strap design. Reflective front detailing adds safety for night travel. It also features an interior elastic strap to keep clothes in place and a back strap to attach easily to your suitcase handle. Reinforced at stress points and balanced for comfort, this backpack has been tested and upgraded based on real user feedback. Ideal for weekend trips, daily commuting, or longer journeys, it compresses into a compact shape when needed, making it a versatile, go-anywhere travel companion. Number 4. Peak Design Travel Backpack. Meet your ultimate travel companion, the Peak Design 45L Travel Backpack. Designed for one-bag travel, this carry-on approved pack expands from 35L to 45L to suit every journey. Crafted from weatherproof 400D recycled nylon canvas with rugged hardware and a reinforced bottom, it's built to endure every leg of your adventure. Multiple access points, top, side, and rear, keep your gear within reach, while expandable side pockets hold bottles or tripods securely. The backpack's clean, minimalist design is packed with travel-friendly features like tuck-away shoulder straps, a hip belt for comfort, 360-degree grab handles, and hidden external carry straps. A luggage pass-through streamlines movement through airports and stations. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway or global trek, this backpack adapts to your needs with exceptional durability and thoughtful organization. From a company committed to sustainability and innovation, the Peak Design Travel Backpack is made to last and to travel wherever life takes you. Number 3. Cotopaxi Alpa Travel Pack. Adventure-ready and carry-on compatible, the Cotopaxi Alpa 35L Travel Pack is built to go wherever you do. Its low-profile, weight-distributing harness system ensures comfortable carry, while the TPU-coated 1000D polyester and 840D ballistic nylon provide weather resistance and long-lasting durability. With a suitcase-style, full-wrap zipper, accessing the main compartment is easy and efficient. Inside, you'll find smart organization. A large zippered mesh compartment on one side and a subdivided mesh compartment on the other. A padded laptop and tablet sleeve keeps your tech safe, and a shortcut zipper offers quick access to the main compartment. Additional features like tuck-away shoulder straps, a top zippered pocket for reinforced grab handles, and included rain cover make this pack ready for any adventure. Security YKK zippers and carabiner lash loops add peace of mind and versatility. Whether you're flying, hiking, or road tripping, the Alpa 35L is your go-to gear hauler. Number 2. Nomatic Water-Resistant Travel Pack. Meet the ultimate travel, engineered for work, travel, and everyday versatility. With a sleek, minimalist design, this multifunctional backpack effortlessly transitions from office to airport. Pop out the hidden straps to convert it from a briefcase into a backpack, and use the luggage strap for seamless carry-on travel. Expand its capacity from 20 to 30 liters, giving you ample room for both business essentials and travel gear. Stay organized with a smart layout, RFID lockable pocket, mesh zip compartments, a dedicated notebook sleeve, and a padded 16-inch laptop compartment. Designed for both men and women, this anti-theft tech backpack keeps your items secure while maintaining a clean, stylish look. Whether you're commuting, flying, or heading to a meeting, this bag adapts to every part of your life. It's not just a backpack, it's your mobile office, travel companion, and daily organizer in one. Number 1. Jury Carry-On Travel Backpack. Travel smarter with this expandable 50L carry-on backpack, designed for flexibility, organization, and comfort. Unzip the expandable section to increase capacity, perfect for packing clothes, shoes, and travel essentials. Its airline-approved size fits comfortably in overhead compartments or under seats, making it ideal for both men and women traveling with Spirit, JetBlue, and more. Easily switch between backpack and suitcase mode with a convertible design, and breeze through TSA checkpoints thanks to the 180 degrees lay-flat laptop compartment. Keep your items tidy with dedicated compartments, including a roomy shoe section and multiple interior pockets. Built from water-repellent, durable nylon and reinforced with strong zippers and stitching, it withstands any adventure. A USB charging port offers convenient power on the go. Lightweight at just 2.5 pounds, this travel backpack combines functionality with style, making it the perfect gift for holidays or spontaneous getaways. Your ultimate companion for efficient, stress-free travel. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.